Welcome back, students. In this video series, we are learning the fundamental of mathematics. In this video, we are going to learn about surds and rationalization. So, let's move further and discuss this concept. So, students, let us first understand some theory about surd. A surd is an irrational number that cannot be simplified to remove the square root or cube root. It is expressed in root form and does not result in a terminating or repeating decimal. Examples of surds are square root of 2, square root of 3, as we cannot take anything common from these roots. Therefore, these are called surds. Similarly, square root of 5 and square root of 7 are all surds because their square roots are irrational and cannot be simplified to exact decimals. So, students, let us move forward and understand with some examples. So let's first understand the simplest form of surds. A surd is said to be in simplest form if there is no perfect square other than 1 inside the root. Point number 2. No fraction remains inside the root. Let us understand with this example. Square root of 50 can be written as, first let's take the factors of 50, that is 2 into 25, now 5 into 5 and 515. We can say that 50 under root of 50 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to the power 2. Since we are getting 5 raised to the power 2, or here we can write like under root of 5 square. Under root of 5 square is equal to 5 only. That means if a number is having a power 2, then we can take it common outside the square root. This can be written as 5 into square root of 2 as written here. Therefore, we can say under root of 5 is equal to 5 under root 2. So this is the simplest form of under root of 50. Now let us understand this concept with some more examples. Now let's understand the method of rationalization. It is the process of removing the surd irrational number from the denominator or a fraction. To rationalize 1 upon square root of 2, we multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 2. That is 1 by square root of 2. If we are rationalizing this, then we are going to multiply this with root 2 and also dividing it by root 2. So here we are going to get square root of 2 in the numerator upon square root of 2 multiply by square root of 2 is equal to 2 only. So this concept is very important and you have to understand this, that square root of 2 into square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2 square. Hence we can say that after rationalization we are going to get square root of 2 upon 2. Therefore, the rationalization of 1 by root 2 is square root of 2 upon 2. Hence, our answer is root 2 upon 2. Now, let's understand the concept of rationalization with more example. Now, if the denominator is of the form a plus under root of b, then we have to multiply numerator and denominator by its conjugate. Conjugate means if we have a number like 2 plus square root of 3, then its conjugate will be 2 minus square root of 3. So this is very important. Now let's understand with some examples. So our first example is, let's simplify this term, that is square root of 72. So let's find the factors first of 72, that is 72 is divided by 2, that is 36. Now 36 can easily be divided by 2, that is 2 into 18 is 36. Now 2 into 9 is 18 and 3 into 3 is 9, then 313. So here we have to write these numbers in the square root. Therefore, square root of 72 is equal to under root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is our number which is coming inside the square root after finding the factors of 72. We can write this number as square root of 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. So here we are getting the power of 2 as 2 and also we are getting the power of 3 as 2. Therefore, we can take common 2 raised to the power 1 into 3 raised to the power 1 outside the square root. So this is our factor which is coming outside the root, and we can write it this way: 6 into under root of 2. Now let us understand with our next example. So here we have our next example, which is we have to simplify root over 75. So we can simply factorize root 75 as 75 can be divisible by 5, that is 5 into 15 is 75. Now 15 can be divisible by 5, that is 5 into 3. Now 3 can be divisible by 3 itself, that is 1. Therefore, we can say that the factors of 75 are 5 into 5 into 3. So we can write root 75 as square root of 5 raised to the power 2 into 3. And whatever number we are getting in terms of power 2, we have to take that outside the square root. That is, we are going to write this number as 5 into square root of 3. So 5 into square root of 3 is the simplified form of root over 75. So students, I hope you must have understood the concept of rationalization. Now let us understand this concept with some more examples. So student, here is our example number next, which is we have to rationalize this number. So to rationalize this number, we have to multiply this number with its conjugate. As we have discussed that conjugate is a number by changing this particular sign, that is we have to divide and multiply this by square root of 3 minus root 2 upon square root of 3 minus square root of 2. So here we are going to get square root of 3 minus square root of 2 upon. Here we have root 3 square root of 3 plus square root of 3 multiply by square root of 3 minus square root of 2. And the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is the formula of a square minus b square. So we can write this way. So here we can write this particular number, this particular term as square root of 3 minus root 2 upon square root of 3 square minus square root of 2 square. That means a square minus b square. So here we are going to get root 3 minus root 2 upon square root of 3 raised to the power 2 is 3 only. Square root of 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 only. Therefore, we can say that in the denominator we are getting 1 and in the numerator we are going to get root 3 minus root 2 upon 1, which is equal to root 3 minus root 2. So this is our final answer after rationalization. So this was the solution of the question number 3, that is our example number 3. Now let's understand our example number 4. So students, here we have to rationalize this number and here we have negative in these two numbers. So what we are going to do, we need to multiply and divide with square root of 3 plus square root of 2 upon square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So after this we can write this way: 2 multiply by square root of 3 plus square root of 2 upon square root of 3 minus square root of 2 multiply by square root of 3 plus square root of 2, and we are going to get a square minus b square as we have discussed in our previous example. So this is equal to 2 multiply by root 3 plus root 2 upon a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, where our a is under root of 3 and our b is under root of 2. Therefore our final answer will be 2 into square root of 3 plus square root of 2 upon root 3 square is equal to 3 minus root 2 square is equal to 2. So this is going to give you 1 only. So hence we can say that our final answer is this, you can see here, 2 into under root of 3 plus under root of 2. Now students, you can practice these questions with the help of our unsolved examples. So students, these are the unsolved examples which you have to practice to enhance your skill related to rationalization concept. So students, I hope you enjoyed this video and must have learned the concept of rationalization. In this video series, we are going to learn more concepts which is going to help you a lot in understanding the foundations of mathematics. We are going to meet in our next videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.